Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix Android phone keeps restarting. If your Android phone keeps restarting on its own, the problem may be caused by a faulty app, insufficient storage, outdated software, or a hardware issue. Troubleshooting the device step by step can help identify and resolve the cause. To begin, unlock your Android phone and restart the device manually and observe whether the issue continues. Check the battery level and charge the phone if it is low. Now, open the Settings app, tap Storage, and ensure there is sufficient free space available. Remove unused apps, files, or media if storage is nearly full. Check for recently installed apps that may be causing conflicts. Uninstall any suspicious or problematic apps. Then update all apps through the Google Play Store. And make sure to check for available Android system updates and install them. Remove the phone case if the device feels usually hot and allow it to cool down. And boot the phone into safe mode to determine whether a third-party app is causing the problem. Back up important data and perform a factory reset if the issue persists. If the phone continues restarting after a reset, contact the manufacturer's support service or visit an authorized repair center for hardware inspection. Additional tips: keep your device software up to date and avoid installing apps from untrusted sources. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.